There. Today we're going to do a layout update. It's been a while since I've done one. And I'm also going to show my roster of freight, passenger, and my locomotives. So to start, we'll do the freight cars. All of those are in perfect working order, and then these three right here need new couplers. Over here is where I keep my engines. Right there is a Lifelike Foodland GP38 Texas Chugger by Bachmann, 3-unit powered Hobbytown F unit set. Rivarossi Berkshire 759, Bachmann 280 616, Mantua Northern Pacific Mikado with smoking unit, 2 Athearn SD40-2 blue box, and then another Lifelike GP38. And then over here I have my Mahano HO Scale 482 Mountain Type, the nickel plate road paint scheme. And I just finished doing work to this one. It has a authentic real coal load, a working headlight, and a non-working backup light. For passenger cars, I have an Athearn Blue Box Santa Fe RPO baggage car. Not really sure what my daylight car is. It's either an Athearn Blue Box or a Lionel HO. Then there's a Pullman, and then there's 3 Pullman Athearn cars and a Santa Fe Dyna car by Athearn. Right here, this is a Walters Trainline freight station. And basically what I was doing yesterday is I got a lot of switch motors. They are brand new from, not really sure how long ago, but they're pretty old, but they're all in the original packaging. So what I did is, I'll move the terrain real quick so I can show. So right here, if you look on this switch, this brass piece right here, that goes down under the layout and is hooked to a switch motor. Same thing over here. This switch is broken, and then my other big switch is broken as well. So unfortunately, I have to order brand new switches. I got these used for $2 a piece, and they were in pretty rough shape when I got them, so I just have to replace them. But I'll hook up. I don't have this. This isn't the switch that will be here. This is just so I can show what it looks like and to make sure it works. So I'll hook up the switch controller and I'll show you real quick. The other one isn't fully hooked up yet. It still needs to be wired up and the switch needs to be replaced. But other than that, it's mounted under the layout already. Alright, so unfortunately the switch controller that I have it hooked up to isn't working, so I'm just going to have to buy a new switch controller. But otherwise I'd show you how it works. But it does work. I spent a lot of time last night doing it. But yeah, so this is basically the yard right here. It's just a simple 3-track yard. And then over here I'm starting to add it's basically like a siding so I can store my passenger cars on the layout because they don't fit in the yard with all the freight cars in there. Right here, this is my auxiliary water tender that I've been custom building. It's an old Rivarossi 765 tender. But yeah, that's basically all that I've been up to lately. Right there where that table is, there was going to be something, but probably won't be at this point. Probably just take that out. But yeah, that's basically it. So I'll turn on the engine. We'll run around the layout a couple times. The daylight car did come with a light in it. So yeah, that's the layout. I have to order those 2 switches and get new switch controllers, and then the yard will get put back together, and I'll be able to do some operating sessions. The switches are about $20 a piece, and then plus shipping, so it's gonna be around $50 to do it. So, because they come with switch controllers, and I just have to take off the switch motors that come with them. So look for that in a upcoming video. Probably won't be for a month or two, but hopefully soon we'll have the layout operating fully. So for right now, I'm just running my passenger train. But yeah, I'll probably do a running video later today or tomorrow, so look for that. So that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.